Hello friends! May account restriction ka ba nang dahil dito sa identity confirmation failed? Kailangan lang po nating mag-upload ng ating ID kay Facebook para ma-confirm ang ating identity. Gawin mo to.
Dito sa ating settings and privacy, tap settings. Tap personal details. Again, tap personal details. Tap identity confirmation. Tap confirm your identity. Dito naman, tap muna natin itong sa baba, protect your account. Dapat po naka-turn on ang inyong two-factor authentication. Back tayo, tap natin itong running ads about social issues, elections, and politics. Tap select. Scroll up, hanapin lang natin ang Philippines at kung saan mang country kayo na belong. Tap personal ID or notarized document. Tap yes, continue. Tap natin itong under sa remaining personal ID or notarized document. Tap upload your ID, then next. Dito marami tayong mapagpipilian na type of ID. Tap mo lang itong show more. Scroll up, meron din ditong I don't have any of these. Tap mo lang. Dito pwede kang mag-upload ng utility bill, company, or school ID. So back tayo, select, then next. Tap get started. Kailangan nating picturean yung ID natin, then submit. Tap finish. Ilang minuto lang nag-notify agad si Meta. Tap natin ito. Ayan na, identity has now been confirmed. Follow for more updates, tips, and tutorials.